Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are testing out a brand new skincare line from JCat Beauty, and this is their K-Beauty skincare line. I love Korean skincare, so I can't wait to show you guys how it works and how it performs on my skin. If you guys are new here, my name is Bree and I'm an LA-based makeup artist. I am so ready. If you want to get unready with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. So you guys, JCat sent me their entire new K-Beauty skincare line. Really dry to combination skin, like that's how my skin is. But usually I'll wash my face in the shower after I take my shower and everything. I will have the driest around my nose, like the driest skin around my nose, around my lips in general. I used to get some dry spots on my eyelids, not so much anymore. I'm just putting on my little hair, I love these things. I don't know what they're called, like headbands. Oh my god, I got so many for Christmas. New K-Beauty skincare by JCat Beauty. If you guys don't know who JCat Beauty is, they are an indie makeup brand that is cruelty-free and sold at most beauty boutiques. I haven't seen it anywhere else besides Ulta online and their actual website. JCat was so freaking kind to send me all of their skincare products, and I cannot wait to test them out and tell you guys all about them and what is in them. They are all made in Korea, and if you guys know, you know, Korean skincare is the best skincare ever. The So cleanser, I think I'm saying it right, but if I'm not, I will insert like the information on the screen. This is a pH balancing cleanser. It does have sea salt, hyaluronic acid. You guys already know I'm obsessed with hyaluronic acid, and if you aren't using hyaluronic acid, you really need to. It also contains tea tree. I'm gonna put it up close. You guys, I got a new camera, so I'm like feeling definitely like a beauty influencer now, like going up to the camera. The skin-friendly minerals include tea tree leaf oil, sea salt, hyaluronic acid. Claims to deliver moisture without stripping the skin from its natural protective film. It is supposed to be a calming cleanser and a foaming cleanser, so I'm very excited to test it out. I'm just gonna smell it really quick. You guys already know I'm a big scent person. So the cleanser smells very fresh. I wouldn't say it's like something that is fragrance filled because I don't smell anything like florally or anything that would cause headaches or maybe irritation if you have sensitive skin. It just smells like fresh and clean. It is a clear gel-like consistency, and then I'm gonna just rub it in my hands to show you guys how it suds, because this is a foaming cleanser. So this is how these suds are. Oh my god, you guys, it is so cold. Like in LA, I think this is the coldest it's been in a long time, but the water is goddamn near freezing. But I just cleansed my face with the foaming cleanser, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on the consistency. It is very thin. Once you set it up in your hands, it turns into a foamy cleanser, but it feels so good after I rinsed it off, and my skin does not feel chappy. It doesn't feel chappy. It does contain cherry blossom extract as well. It is a morning and night cleanser, so for best results morning and night, I am in love. They also included a micellar cleansing water. It's infused with lemon balm, sage leaf, and witch hazel. This is how it looks in the component. This is a big size. This is actually, let me see how many ounces. 10.1 fluid ounces. So that is a lot of product actually. Like if you are interested in trying this, you will get a lot for your money. And I want to of course smell it because I am in love with scents. There is absolutely no scent at all, so I love that because that is good for sensitive skin babes out there. But like I said, you guys, micellar cleansing water is the best, especially if you're freelancing, to have in your kit. It is a no rinse makeup remover. This is a cleanse, tone, and hydrate all-in-one, so I do love having these in my kit. Personally, I always carry some with me, as well as I use them myself too. I don't completely replace this for my toner. I still use a toner, but this is good if you are on the go, like freelancing on set possibly. No scent at all, and this is a large amount of product, so if you wanted to depot this, I think that that would be a good option for you. A deep micro cleansing oil, chia seed macadamia seed oil, and a aloe, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but alopecia, I think I'm saying it right. I hope so. It does come with a pump, which I'm a fan of. I love when products have a pump. And this is an oil-based cleanser. If you have lash extensions, this is something that I would not recommend you trying. Or if you did try it, just be super careful around your lash extensions. When I was getting my lash extensions 24/7, I could not use oil-based anything, so I know that that could be an issue. If you don't have lash extensions and you just wear a lot of makeup and need like a heavy duty dissolver, this would be the girl for you. This would be a product that would break down heavy makeup, hard to take off makeup like glitter, glue, waterproof makeup, and sunscreen. And it does turn into a milky cleansing consistency. I'm gonna just put some on my hands to show you guys. As far as smell, it smells amazing. Not overpowering at all. It's very faint. It goes away. So this isn't a concern of mine. Lastly, they sent over their Instant Skin Brightening Tone Up Primer. So I was excited when I saw this because you guys already know I love toner, but I also like primers. So I wanted to test this out myself before I did a little glam because this is really sick. Balancing primer toner in one. It does contain macadamia nut seed oil to hydrate dry skin. So this is a dry skin product, normal to dry skin I would say, and it has sage leaf, repairs skin tones and refreshes, cherry blossom to lighten hyperpigmentation and clarify uneven skin, soothe irritated skin as well. So I am excited to try this. I already put a little amount on my hand. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want to really smell the product. This is how it looks like when it comes out of the bottle. Just a clear like cream consistency. It's not extremely thick. It doesn't really smell like anything. I can faintly smell cherry blossom. It does have a white cast a little bit, so we're gonna see if this works well with makeup. That's my biggest concern when it comes to skincare, because I don't like to have flashback, or I don't like how some products may sit under the makeup. So we will see, but this, it feels hydrated. It feels hydrating, but like I said, guys, like look at me. I have a white cast all up on me. I am not sure if I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna do a little bit of glam really quick. I'm just putting on foundation and I'm gonna do my soap brows. I will be right back to show you guys how my skin looks on camera. Hey guys, this is the final makeup look. What do you guys think of the skin? I am living. I love the way that the application has paid off, girl. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.